Hey, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How y'all out there doing, foodie fam? I hope everybody is having a marvelous day. Y'all know your girl is feeling myself today too, y'all. Yeah, I think I'm getting better at this makeup thing. But anyway, let's jump into the food. Now, before we jump into the food, y'all, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so now that all that's out the way, let's get to it. Today, I have for my babies, my foodie fams, 5 guys. Yes. My Instagram fam been wanting me to do this for a minute now. Just finally being able to get around to it. So, I got the Cajun fries, and then I have a double cheeseburger. Yeah, it look good, y'all, with everything on it. All right, now I'm going to taste these fries all by themselves. See what's popping, but y'all know I'm going to get some ketchup. Yeah, and I got it on my thing because, you know, got kind of cold. But hold on, let me get it right. Because Nikki said her daughter, she love when I do the choo-choo train. Choo, 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 choo. Open wide. Yay! Yes, y'all. How's everybody doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know, any day we wake up, above and not under, it's supposed to be a marvelous day, okay? But
you heard.
And you know, my sidekick is right there. She ain't never fall.
You heard?
I'm ketchup. Ketchup. Now my thing is sizzling. Oh yes, it's about to be.
Yeah, I hear that.
It's sizzling. I had to turn it up. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. Oh, and I'm sorry. I have a strawberry banana shake. Yeah, baby. I got me these were on sale, Canada Dry. So I got me some. Shoot, no Coke today. I have to slow down on the dark. Get with the clear. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Excuse this little piggy. Ooh, but I needed that. I haven't eaten anything. So, y'all, I'm really going to dig in. Let me turn this down now. I don't want to burn my stuff. Ooh. Ooh. It's so good. Woo! Baby, I see why y'all want me to go 5 times. This sucker is good. Open wide, boo-boo. There you go, sweetheart. Ooh. Y'all, I'm gonna have to turn that sucker down, all the way down. So I got the Cajun fries. Ooh, my stomach over here singing. I'm saying hallelujah. She putting some food in me.
All right, the torment.
I know, right? So, Shoshana, what's up, boo-boo? How was your day?
It was cool. I was with you.
So what?
So you already know my day being.
Oh no.
But
you woke up before
foodie fam, we out here. That's all we gotta say. And we appreciate the journey that we going through.
that we're on. I mean, yes, I love everything. The good, the bad, it don't matter. Because baby,
I hope y'all see them trolls is real. They be watching.
Mm-hmm. And Show got a lot to say. Show got a lot to say, like I'm supposed to feel some type of way. You got me sadly mistaken, boo. You got the wrong one. my I don't care laugh. My I don't care laugh. All right. First off, people need to learn that, you know, you teach kids from your house. You gotta start at home. That's where it stems from, home. So if you laying down foundation, you shouldn't be worried. Okay? So right. Let me eat my food. I want to talk about them.
It's okay, because they got they judging, but they got they own problems as well.
Oh, okay.
You just want to go point out someone else's flaw, which is okay. Because we are humans, and ain't none of y'all perfect. But, on to the next thing.
This daggone griddle was worth a little money. It's hot.
You talk about that griddle every time.
Yeah, today I'm actually in love because it got my food nice and hot.
You know what I love about Five Guys, though?
Well,
I promise you, we ordered that food probably a good 30 minutes ago. No lie. The fries aren't like stale.
Oh, excuse me, y'all.
The Queen of Burps is out.
Oh?
You know what your name is?
What is it?
The Queen of Burps.
Yeah. You heard the name I done got.
Queen Burping.
Burping is good. This burger is good though. They doing their thing over there. Hold on. I gotta get to my shades. Kind of melted a little bit. Because, like Shashawn said, I had a few little stops. But this was the last stop, but Five Guys ain't close. So. Ooh. And I didn't want to do a car bang for this one. I wanted to come home. Really sit down and enjoy my food. Yes. Ooh, I can actually, I tasted strawberry. I tasted a little piece of strawberry in there. It's nice when you can taste actual fruit in your smoothie or your shake. Not your smoothie, your shake. Is there a difference?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I make them smoothies, them green smoothies.
Right.
But it's okay for them too.
Oh, I've been looking at some bibs.
You have?
Yes, so she gonna get a bib soon, y'all.
I don't know about you, but I know I need mine, sure. Baby, I'm tired of I'm tired of messing. What?
Better stop acting like y'all don't like y'all bibs.
Right. I hate to mess up my clothes.
But you gotta enjoy that food though.
And yes, I want to. What? Mm-hmm. The sodas was on sale. Did I tell them that? Did I tell y'all that?
You got something on your lip.
What?
Something under your lip too.
I can't see.
Look at someone. Look, all she gotta do is take the thing and wipe it across her mouth. There you go. It's still under there.
Look, I gotta do this. You know I got a little makeup on, child. You know,
do
so
that every time.
So I be trying to pat instead of wipe. But it comes off. So something came off on my shirt already, y'all. Right. Man. Never fails. But it's all good. Girl. I'm sorry, I didn't give y'all none. Take a sip. Come on.
I'm coming.
Take a sip. So good. Yeah. You enjoyed that? Good. I haven't had a shake since Burger King. Because they're not like stuff that I do on a daily. So when I hear people talk about me, like, I just laugh. Because I'm like, baby, you have no clue about me. Not even the weight that you see on me. You still don't know me. Okay? Because you have people out here that's more healthier than a skinny person. Let's be real. All right?
I'll never forget when we were in cycling class. Oh my gosh. We were at LA Fitness in cycling class, and it was this bigger lady. She was like bigger than me and my mom. And I mean, she was kidding.
Baby.
No sweat.
And cycling class was what, 30, 45 minutes?
No sweat.
And I'm telling you, she did that. And it's like, when you if you do cycling class, baby, you know it ain't no breaks in between. It's come on now. You know, then you on there, you dancing. Okay, go down with it now. If y'all do cycling class,
that's all you need.
And I used to do our cycling class, Pilates, yoga. Excuse me. So don't sit up there because you see this. I got some weight on me. Yo, I used to bench press 250 pounds, Joe. Don't play with me. You have no clue about me. So don't speak on things you don't know. And yes, I done let myself go a little bit. It's okay. When I'm ready to get back in shape, baby, I know what to do. And I'll bring you on that journey right on along with me.
You heard?
You heard? So.
Still doing them things.
Don't play. Boo. Don't act like you know me because you don't. You have no clue about me. All right? All right.
I ain't no good because I just geek your head up.
That's all it is. I was trying to let go of that crap. But it's like, yo, don't act like you know me. Don't sit up there and tell me,
It don't matter. It don't matter what your weight is. As long as you're healthy inside, you're doing the things that you need to do.
Right. You know how many people that's fat as ever, but they going to the gym, they working out, trying to, eat healthy and doing stuff like that. Right. But they still big. But they trying to work on it. It took.
Not everybody is little, first of all.
No.
And everybody's not built to be little.
Yeah, my baby is one of them. My baby has always been a little chunky baby. And this is one child that I take to the gym. And I done put on diets. It don't work. So, and my sister is like that. She was never skinny. She was always a big girl, but she was always an active girl and doing some kind of sport. I have friends that baby could do a split. Big girl. I ain't talking about nobody little now. I'm talking about big girl that could get down there and do a split, baby, and do them split and bounce along with it. Boo.
Big people could do handstands. Like
what? What? Don't think because you see somebody that's a little bit heavier that they just, no. No, not every big person is lazy, boo. Not every big person just sit around and eat all day. Where the hell you come from? Shoot. Maybe that's you, but that ain't over her. So, let's get those things understood. Okay? Because you're big, that doesn't, you don't have no limitations because you're fat. When limitation comes, it's because you want that limitation to be there, because you want to be big and just not do nothing. You just want to sit down and eat and not get up and go move. No, baby, I actually move. If I'm not doing, I'm always doing and moving and shaking. She done got me to rambling, and I'm a ramble till I feel like I'm ready to be done with it. Okay? Because I take offense to fatness. I mean, don't get me wrong. I don't care, but not every fat person is lazy. And people have that...
Not every fat person has high cholesterol. Not every fat person has high blood pressure. Not
every fat person is sitting around on 10 different medications, boo. It's not every fat person is like that. And Shoshana even said the other day in a video, and if you go back and maybe if you actually watching the videos, then maybe you could speak on it. Because Shoshana even went back the other day to said, if we wasn't doing mukbangs right now, I would be on a 40-day fast, Daniel fast, no meat. Okay? No meat. Just plant-based. Just plant-based. You know what I'm saying? And drinking a lot of water, and not just drinking a lot of water, but there is a time. It's a time where you have to drink water. It's a set time that you drink water. And these are things people don't even know. These are things that people don't even know. So don't sit up here and act like you know something. No. Because ain't nothing. Listen, I keep telling y'all this. You cannot tell me something and I just take your word for it. That is not me. Okay, you tell me something and I'm going to say, okay, all right, okay. I got to look into that and see more, see what else is to it. That's me. That's why I tell y'all, do a little research. Get on your phone, get on YouTube, get on Google. Google these things. It's right there. Read a little bit. It ain't going to kill you. It is not going to kill you. You know what I'm saying? So, shoot. Yo, people... I'm like, baby, I'm a flexible big girl. And I'm a proud big girl. I'm a pretty big girl. I love myself, big girl. Hello? And I love to eat my French fries. See them? I'm going to do the most right now. Y'all, my daughter back there like, Ma. And I'm going to take a bite. And honey, this one is for you. You have a blessed, when I say a blessed, you have a blessed evening.